welcome to a brand new episode 18 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find it difficult to solve. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 9. Today, we'll be going through question 3 of worksheet 9. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. Lily and Melissa were practicing their run on a circular running track. Lily was running towards the starting line and Melissa was heading in the opposite direction, but her average speed was 50% faster than Lily's. They meet 5 hours later at the starting line. If Melissa ran 20 meters more than Lily, what is the average running speed of Melissa? How long is the track? And what meter mark did they start? So, similarly to the previous question, the first thing we are going to do is to draw the track. So let's assume they start at a random point. Lily is running towards the starting line and Melissa is running on the opposite direction. Okay, then Melissa is 50% faster and they actually met 5 hours later and Melissa runs an extra 20 meters. So, given this, let's start on the question. The first thing we're supposed to do, is to calculate the extra speed of Melissa. Extra speed will be equals to 20 kilometers divided by 5 hours. Therefore, Melissa is actually, for every hour, she's 4 kilometers faster. And 4 kilometers is actually 50% of the total speed. So we realize that 50% faster will give us 4 kilometers per hour. Therefore, 100% will turn out to be 8 kilometers per hour. And Melissa is 150% because it's 50% faster. This will give us 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, so therefore, this is Melissa. And this is Lily. So this is the average running speed of Melissa. Then let's find out how long the track is. Okay, over here we are calculating the total speed in that sense that every hour, Lily will run 8 kilometers and every hour, Melissa will run 12 kilometers. In that sense, every hour, how far did both of them get? How far away are they going to be? Okay, in that sense of total speed. Okay, so the total speed will be equals to 8 plus 12, which gives us 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, the total distance will be equals to the total speed times the total time. Since they actually meets 5 hours later, it will be equals to 20 times 5, which gives us 100 kilometers. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry, okay. This is actually meters, meter, and meter. It's 100 meters, okay? Because I forgot here's a meter. Okay, now we will be able to realize that the total distance of the running track should be 100 meters. So it's a 100 meter running track. Okay, 100 meter running track. Okay, next, at which meter mark did they start? So, the easiest way is to find out how far does Lily runs. So, distance of Lily will be equals to the speed, which is 8 kilometers per hour times 5 hours, which gives us 40 meters. Therefore, they start at the 40 meter mark. Ta-dang! The 3-part answer. Dang, dang, dang. Dang, dang, dang. Okay, the 3-part answer. Okay, the question that we just went through is question 3 of worksheet 9. There's 2 more questions available. The solution for question 1 is Sam's running speed is 12 kilometers per hour and they will meet at 10:23 p.m. The average speed of Jack will be 30 kilometers per hour and the triangle will be an equilateral triangle of 60 by 60 and by 60. Okay, feel free to browse our channel if you need the solution for question 1. It has been up already. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging questions. We also welcome feedbacks and comments. Before we end, we would like to take this opportunity to share our new Instagram series, New News, where we share random news for students to read. We hope you'll find it useful. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have learned this concept, and here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!